Buyers are definitely paying attention to the law of supply and demand. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. The number of homes for sale in the East Bay rose to a 6-year high during April, with over 1,000 more homes on the market compared with this time last year. Prices followed the supply and demand law as well by dropping more than 30,000 compared with last April. More homes on the market and lower prices in most communities gave buyers more time to shop. A home was on the market an average of 21 days during April compared with 18 days during this time last year. More choices and lower prices didn't add up to more sales. Compared to last April, there were slightly fewer homes sold. Let's look at local market conditions, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, up everywhere, more than double in Albany, Fremont, Newark, and Union City compared to last April. Prices mostly down. Albany down to 1.18 and the median price in Oakland at $985, down more than 10%. Sales mixed. Big increase in Castro Valley, while Albany, Newark, and San Leandro are all down more than 20%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Pinole and San Pablo more than double. Prices mostly down. Hercules at $767, down more than 15%. Sales mixed. Pinole up almost 80%. El Cerrito, Richmond, and San Pablo all down. Let's look at Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, mostly up. Big increases in Concord and Pleasant Hill. Prices mixed. Clayton up 5% to 1.15. Walnut Creek down 5% to 1.55. Sales mixed. Clayton up more than 50%. Martinez down more than 40%. Next is La Miranda. Homes for sale, up. Moraga and Orinda more than double. Prices mixed. Orinda up to 2.1. Sales down. Lafayette and Moraga both dropped 20% or more. Let's go to the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Dublin, Livermore, Pleasanton, all more than double. San Ramon, 78 for sale, up almost 300%. Prices mostly down. Alamo drops 18%, Dublin 1.45 down 15%. Sales down. Danville and Dublin both down more than 25%. San Ramon, 30 sold, down more than 35%. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Antioch, Brentwood, and Discovery Bay way up. Prices mostly down. Discovery Bay, $850, down almost 10%. Sales down. Brentwood, 57 sold, down more than 30%. Last thought, residential real estate is local. However, national and international issues, including interest rates, stock market performance, and even visa status, can have a direct impact on real estate markets here in the East Bay. We'll see you next month.